Here's a head turner at Unique Specialty and Classics. Wow, take a look at this, a little import action. 2013 BMW M3 Lime Rock Edition. Fire orange, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles, just a little over 32,291 actual on it. Let's take a look at this front fascia. You'll notice down below it does have the carbon fiber splitter. On the rear deck lid, it also has the carbon fiber spoiler. Paint is in very nice shape. Check out the still pictures, you'll see it from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching it on YouTube, as far as this video goes, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct BMW wheels, those big rotors behind them, drilled. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see the paint is not full of nicks, dings, scratches, chips. Well taken care of and maintained car. Black leather seats. Does have the competition package. High performance mufflers. We're going to go ahead and around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. That carbon fiber look on the roof. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Suede wrapped steering wheel with center line. Center console with that shifter on the console. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, take your time looking through the pics of this one. This one will not disappoint in person, folks. Looks as good in the pictures and the video as it does in real life. No doubt about that. And also, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Here's a prime example. Go from a classic 78 Cadillac video to a 2013 BMW M3, all in the same day. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Take a look at the condition of this interior. Door panel, great shape. And of course, your modern amenities of power windows, power mirrors, power locks, power seat over here in the driver's side with memory seating. You can also see bolster seats showing very little wear. Steering wheel controls. I have the key in my pocket. That's why the accessories are on. I'd clicked it earlier to check the exact miles. So let's fire it up. Let's hear it run. There's your exact miles. Going to pop up here. There they are, 32,291. This car sounds good too. Of course, electronic climate control. Entertainment system is what you call it. Everything to expect on a 13 M3. Little placard for the Lime Rock Edition. I believe Lime Rock's out in Connecticut. Dash looks great. You've been searching for one of these, I've been looking for one. You know more about them than I do, I guarantee you that. I know it's a beautiful car. It would be a blast to drive. It's in great condition. Clean Carfax, low miles, and a great sounding car. Not gonna lie, I'm not a big import guy, but I would not be ashamed to park this one in my garage at all. Let me pause this a second. We're gonna take a peek underneath the hood. See what that 4-liter V8 looks like in there. Stick around to the very end. Jason, lucky guy, gets to take this one for a drive. It's a good look at the underside of the hood. Nice and clean and tidy like the rest of the car, and there it is. It's a good looking engine bay too. Four-liter V8 power. Paint's absolutely beautiful on this car. Engine base, nice. Interior like new. Wow. It's a beautiful car. 2013 BMW M3 Lime Rock Edition, one of 200. A little over 32,000 miles. Clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2013 BMW M3. I gotta say, I'm impressed. The handling, the acceleration, the feel of this car is something else. They're pretty nice. This in bright orange with the gauge cluster, digital screen to match. It has a supercar sound to it. Nice little whine and a throaty exhaust note. You can run this in automatic or you can paddle shift it. Leather bucket seats. Nice sound system as well. AC's blowing cold. Very nice car. The condition looking great inside and out. Odometer showing 32,000 miles, but you wouldn't know it. And it's barely broke in with that many. Very responsive brakes, just as the throttle is. I'm gonna go a different way here just because there is a traffic jam. So we can keep on moving. Automatic transmission, shifting effortlessly and smoothly between those gears. Put the window down for a second, see if you can hear it. Lovely sound of this car. Make sure you take a look at all the pictures. Give us a call at 507-386-1726 with any questions, and check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.